Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Frank here to work on your daily calendar review. All right, so we are working on our pattern today. So if you remember, our core here is sun, umbrella, flower, rain cloud, or A, B, C, D. So yesterday we had a flower. So that means today, what pattern piece are we going to have? Did you say a rain cloud? Good job. So here we have completed another piece of our pattern, A, B, C, D. So we will go back to start tomorrow. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the date today. So today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. And if today is Friday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday. Awesome. And what will tomorrow be? Saturday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. All right. Last question. We're going to talk about the day before and the day after. So if today is the 24th, what was the day before the 24th? The 23rd. Good. And if today is the 24th, what's the day after the 24th? The 25th, which is Miss Frank's birthday. I'm excited for my birthday to be tomorrow. All right, so we're getting ready for our spiral review. Go ahead and get out that paper and write down how many vertices a square has. All right, boys and girls, remember a vertices is a corner, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices because it has 4 pointy corners. Alrighty. Oh, I'm going to write a 4 nice and big in the middle. All right. Our next question is, what are the parts of 4? So your boys and girls, you're going to take out a pencil and piece of paper and you're going to write down all of the parts of 4. Go ahead and get ready. Go ahead. Miss Frank's just going to move some things around so I can type them out. All right, so if you're not ready yet, boys and girls, go ahead and feel free to pause, but there are 5 parts of 4 that we're going to get ready to do. So the first one is going to start with a 0. So 0 and 4 is 4. Oh. Our next part of 4, we are going to flip-flop those 2. So since it started with 0 last time, this time it's going to start with 4. So we've got 4 and 0 is 4. All right. Our next one, we're going to move into using 1 as our first number. So 1 and 3 is 4. And then we're going to flip-flop those 2. So number 4 is going to be 3 and 1 is 4. And then our last one that we cannot flip-flop because both of them are the same is 2 and 2 is 4. Awesome, boys and girls. And I hope that you got all of those parts of 4. I'm sure that you did because you've been working so hard. All right. Number 3, draw a set with more than 6. All right, boys and girls. Now, your set could have 7, it could have 8, it could have 9, it could have 22, because anything that is more than 6. All righty. And our last question of the day is, draw a chocolate chip cookie with 12 chocolate chips in it. All right, boys and girls. I will let you finish up that question. I'm going to sign off here. I love you. I miss you, and I can't wait to be with you soon.